Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. Now in today's video, I wanted to do another stockbroker review. I wanted to talk about one of the most popular brokers out there, Robinhood. We're going to be breaking down the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about Robinhood. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, stock market investing, make sure you guys check out my blog. It's completely free to view, watch, and we have great posts. So make sure you guys check it out. So now to jump into it, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. So for those of you that don't know what Robinhood is a stock broker that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, index funds, and cryptocurrency. One of the drawbacks with Robinhood is you guys cannot invest into bonds and mutual funds, but at the end of the day, that's not that big of a deal. Now, the reason why Robinhood is so incredibly popular is because they were pretty much the first stockbroker to offer something called commission-free trading. Now, back in the day when you guys bought a stock and sold a stock, it cost money. In some cases with TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, Fidelity, it cost upwards of $7. Meaning if you only had $30 to invest, over $7 of that was going just straight towards fees, so you'd have to have crazy profits just to make even. And for beginners, this would cost them so much money to just get started with investing that a lot of people didn't invest. But Robinhood was the first broker to come out and say, hey, we're not going to charge you any commission. Now, where Robinhood makes money is off of interest, off of uninvested funds, and they do make money from order flow. Pretty much what that means is when you try to buy a stock, if you want to buy a stock for $1, Robinhood may purchase it for 99 cents and they keep that penny. Now multiply that out millions of times, it adds up very fast. Now right now Robinhood has 2 brokers accounts. Now you guys can sign up with a standard brokers account. This is just a traditional account that is virtually the most popular account out there. There's no tax incentives. You're pretty much just investing to try to make money. Now they do offer something which is groundbreaking. This is an IRA account that has a 1% match. 1% match from a broker. Now, back in the day, and even nowadays now, in order to get a match, you'd have to have a company that would match pretty much whatever you put in. Now, with a broker doing this, this is awesome. The reason why is because you're virtually getting free money because Robinhood does not charge any fees, any monthly fees, or any commission. So it's straight profit that you guys can use to invest into stocks and ETFs. Now, one of the main reasons why I love Robinhood is because how easy it is to use. Now, Robinhood is very beginner friendly, but obviously beginner friendly does have some limitations. Now, yes, the limitations that Robinhood has is all basic stuff. They don't have any major stock scanners. They don't have any, adjustable charts or customizable charts. It's very user friendly, which for beginners, that's all you're really gonna need. You're not gonna need some elaborate charts to day trade, swing trade, and all that stuff. You're just investing. And I think that's where Robinhood is the best, right? Robinhood is designed for people that are just getting the ball started. Now that they offer this IRA account, this is fantastic because you can have a standard broker's account where you guys can just invest, and then you guys can have an IRA account where you guys can invest for retirement. So it's a win-win. And another reason why it's so incredibly popular is because of cryptocurrency. Now, this is fantastic because if you guys wanted to invest into crypto, you'd have to use a broker like Coinbase or something along those lines, which they can charge 2-3% fees plus commission, and all that adds up very fast. With Robinhood, they don't charge you any commission or any fees when you invest into crypto, which is pretty nice. So you guys can invest into stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency, all commission free. Now, yes, like I mentioned, Robinhood does have some drawbacks. A lot of people think that it's unreliable because they paused a whole bunch of GameStop transactions and AMC transactions a couple of years ago, which that's not the greatest because pretty much Robinhood, they work with a variety of different companies. They work with hedge funds and different funds, and so the hedge funds were losing money because of the GameStop short, and so pretty much what happened is they paused all the buying for GameStop so these hedge funds wouldn't lose as much money. I don't think that's the right move, but it's still something you have to be aware of when you're using this broker. And the last and final con that I think Robinhood has is very limited customer service. There has been a ton of complaints about Robinhood's customer service, that it's hard to get a hold of them or it takes too long. Now, I think the reason why it takes so long is because there's really no brick and mortar location that you can just call or go up to, right? If you guys have a broker with, let's just say, TD Ameritrade, you guys can go to the TD Bank. Or if you have a broker with Chase, you guys can just go to Chase Bank. You know, one of the issues is, you know, when you have a smaller broker, you're obviously going to have some limitations. But I honestly think those limitations are very, very small just because of how awesome Robinhood is. Now, answering this question, should you use Robinhood? Now, I think Robinhood is designed for people just to invest, and that's it, right? Investing for beginners and intermediate investors are gonna thrive with Robinhood. But if you're getting into more day trading, swing trading, or more active investing, then I probably would recommend another broker where you guys have more inclusive and better charts, more customizable charts, better stock scanners, all that stuff. I think there is better options elsewhere for the more active investors, but just to get the ball started, I think Robinhood is the great place to start. You know, a lot of people hate on Robinhood, but it's honestly a great broker with how easy the interface is, and it's pretty much the leader of the commission-free trading. They're offering a whole bunch of fantastic tools, and they do have cash management and stuff like that. So I have no complaints with Robinhood other than the pausing and the reliability of the more active investing. But if you're not doing it for day trading, swing trading, you guys will be fine. I think it's a great broker. I don't think there's any major issues other than customer service and customizable charts and scanners. So guys, that is it. If I was gonna rate this thing out of 5 stars, I probably would give it the highest rating, near and around 4.5 stars out of 5. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.